Hello everybody, so today we got a 3-bedroomed, 3-bathroomed Neptune Deluxe to show you with the pool, and I'm so excited to take you around this property. So let's go in and check it out. So this is the property itself. Got nice wide roads here. You have this lovely ornate double gate. So this is just inside the gate of the property. You've got this fabulous pool. You've got raised walls for privacy. You've got this pergola here. When you have put cover over it, it shades the car. You've got a lovely front terrace there, getting all those summer breezes. So I'll just bring you around and have a good look at this lovely pool. I'm taking this pool at a different angle. And as you can see, it's quite deep, really nice to lounge in. And then you've got this lovely terrace. So I'm just going to walk you around, and we'll do the perimeter of the property first, and then we'll do the top box, and then we'll come back around. Just here, as you can see, we have a shower, so wash off all your oils before you get into the pool. You have a step just here, a table, put a few chairs there, and you've got your outside dining. You have some trees there, and of course you got some storage for your wood. The lemon tree is all in blossom, and you have storage just over here and underneath the staircase. So I'm just going to come back around. You got these stepping stones. You got another water point there. And I'm just going to walk up the steps here now. So I've just come up to the top box. So this is the 3rd bedroom, or a guest bedroom. It has a large double bed, and you've got some office space here as well. If I just pan around, you can see that there's overhead storage. You got his and hers wardrobes and sliding doors. Just off the bedroom, of course, you've got your ensuite. You've got a sink and pedestal, some shelving, a bidet, WC and a bath. You've got a clear screen, shower screen there, and a shower curtain. And you got your shower attachment just there. You got a frosted glass window, and you got your shaving socket. Okay, so let's go out now, and we go around, and we go through the patio doors to a lovely outside terrace. This is a lovely place to lounge. You could put a hot tub up here easy, or some false grass and some loungers, some private sunbathing. You also got some storage there for all your cushions, whatever you need. Just pan around for you. Just over the doorway there is a light. You could put an awning there as well, so you have some shade if you're sitting out here. Okay, so let's go back through, and we'll go downstairs, and we'll have a look around the main house itself. Now I'm back down at the bottom of the stairs. This wrecker door leads to the kitchen, so it's easy access to the terrace for your outside dining. Okay, but I'm going to take you round to the front terrace now. Now, as you can see, this is easy access to this property. You've literally got 2 steps and you're up into the terrace. And it's a beautiful terrace, lovely place to lounge, have a cup of coffee with some friends, or just read a book and just chill. And it's a lovely sunspot. This is the sunny side of the street, as they say. You get all the sunshine here most of the day. So let's go inside and check the main house out. So as we've opened the door, we've come into the living space. Just behind the front door, you have overhead storage and you have double wardrobes. So that's to put your ironing board or your boots or your umbrellas or your flip-flops in there. So as I pan around, as you can see, beautifully decorated home. You have a log burner fire there. You also have ceiling light and fan. Okay, so I'm going to come around here and show this room at a different angle so you get a nice feel for the room. And through this archway, I'll be going into the bedrooms and the 2 bathrooms, one of which is an ensuite. So just in here is the master bedroom. You have got aircon and you've got ceiling light and fan there. Now if I take the room at a different angle, as you can see, there is an archway and that leads through to the ensuite. So we go over there. You've got a double wardrobe with overhead storage and your wardrobe there. You've also got a single wardrobe there. So this is just off the bathroom, and usually people put their towels or whatever they need to in there. In here, this bathroom or ensuite is fully tiled. You have a clear screen, shower screen, your bath and your WC, and you've got your sink and pedestal there as well. So you've got your rain head shower. This bathroom is fully tiled and you have your bath just here. And as I pan around, you can see the WC, some shelving and the bathroom, the sink I mean. Just by the sink you have a socket, which is your shaving socket, and you've got a very ornate mirror there with overhead lights. You have got another socket just above the door there if you wanted to put an overhead heater there as well. So let's go out and about. Lovely bedroom. The sunshine illuminates this bedroom beautifully. So we're going through here, and just directly in front of me is a family bathroom. Now this is a semi-frosted shower screen with the rain head shower in. You've got your WC and you've got your sink there in your vanity unit, very modern. And just in here you have got this next bedroom. So it has twin wardrobes, his and hers, with overhead storage. They are sliding doors on the wardrobes. And a nice large double again, just above ceiling light and fan. So just taking this room at a different angle, just to give you a feel for the room. Okay. Nice large double. They're all good sized doubles in the Neptune Deluxe, I got to say. So we go back in and around, and of course you're back into your living room here again. You've got dual aspect windows, recess and blackout blinds on the windows, and you've got this archway that leads to the lovely dining room. Now if you wanted this house to be more open plan, you could square off that archway and take that wall out where the shelving is, and that would make the room more open plan if that's what you want. So let me take you through the dining area now. And as you can see, this sits 6 people quite comfortably in here. It's got recess and blackout blinds on the windows. And just here you've got your kitchen. It's a very squared off kitchen which gives you plenty of room. Plenty of top and base units, granite effect worktop space and plenty of it. You got your fridge freezer, your integrated electric hob and your electric oven. You got your washing machine there and your sink and drainer. And of course just through there is the doorway up to the 3rd bedroom, which I showed you initially. Okay. So I'm just panning around for you, and of course your dining room is just off there. So now that you've seen most of the property, if you're interested in this property, do contact info@tolettoseltobuy.com, and don't forget to share and like on your social media, because somebody out there would just love this property. So I'm going it back out and you'll have another glimpse of the pool guy. The sun is shining. What a beautiful day it is, just to chill. And we'll have a look at the pool again. Isn't that stunning? It's a good decent sized pool as well. So until the next time guys, take care and don't forget to share and like.